So here I'm going to show you how you can stick this fridge deodorizer on your fridge even though there's no tape in the back for you to do so. See many reviews complain that they can't stick this onto their fridge. So what you need is a nano tape. Just, these are very sticky. Just need a tiny piece. Then what I'll do, cut that in half. And that is plenty. Just pick a side. One's up here. One's right there. Okay. Just peel off the plastic adhesives in the back. Let me take this to the fridge. Here. The fridge. Put it all the way in the back. Make sure you clean the back first before applying. And then there. Hope that helps.
I couldn't afford a refrigerator, so instead I was given a used small refrigerator, and when I opened it, it had this horrendous smell, and I tried really hard to clean it. I used baking soda, I used vinegar, but it didn't work, so I came across this product. It worked, but it did take roughly about a month for the horrendous, disgusting smell to go away. I still keep this in the fridge. It was very affordable. I was very convinced by the great reviews online. So far I've had a good experience with it, and my fridge right now smells divine. I highly recommend this product.